Hi guys, this is Sun at Volkswagen Puyallup Finance. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about 5 simple ways to improve your credit when you're purchasing your next vehicle. Number 1 is going to be building your credit file. If you don't have any credit, that's super simple. Just go apply for a secured credit card. Having a long history of payments that are on time shows that you have a good record, and that's great for the lenders when they look at your credit to buy a car. Number 2 is going to be making your payments on time. Making your payments on time is going to be very, very important on your credit, and that's one of the heaviest determining factors for your credit score. Being able to make your payments on time, especially a long history of making payments on time, also shows the lender that you are very financially responsible in borrowing money. Number 3 is going to be catching up on past due accounts. So borrowing money and having loans on your credit history to show a record is great, but making sure that you're all caught up with all your current accounts is very important as well. Lenders aren't likely to lend money if you're not being able to pay off or pay on time with your current obligations. All right, number 4 is paying down your account balances. As awesome as it is that you have it on record on file, making sure that you are also keeping under a good credit utilization is very key. There are certain terms that you may hear, such as debt to income or payment to income. Those are all very important things when lenders look at your credit. Number 5 is limiting how many accounts that you open. Opening accounts and getting credit is great, but I highly recommend only applying for credit when you are actually ready to be purchasing a vehicle or applying for a loan. Guys, when planning to purchase your next vehicle, whether you're planning on buying the car outright with cash or you're financing it, our finance team here at Volkswagen of Puyallup has a collective experience of over 30 years together. We have seen all different types of credit. We're more than happy to help you if you have any questions. My personal recommendations to my friends and family as well is make sure you're all caught up on everything on your credit. Save up some money as a down payment. Figure out if you have a trade vehicle that you're planning on trading in with equity, or maybe you have negative equity. And if you guys always have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask any of us here down at Volkswagen Puyallup Finance.